All right, so another one of these guys here, and these, after you practice a few of these, you're probably pretty good. After this, they get a little bit harder. So that's going to be a translation, not transformation, translation. Right 5, up 6. All right, and I'm going to plot my points. That's even too bad for me. Needs to be relatively close to one of the lines. I'm hoping that one of these points goes off the graph here eventually so I can show you what I'm going to do. So -2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not very close. And then 2, 3, 2, -3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. So there's my triangle. And this was A, this was C, and this was B. All right, so there's that. Each point needs to go right 5, up 6. Let's start with C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. It's going to go off my screen a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and then A. And look at that, it went off my graph. Oh well, put it 1 up from the top of the graph, okay? Some of you at that point will be like, oh no, I have to erase this and start all over again. Please don't do that. Please just put it off the graph. How many can you go off the top of the graph? As many as you want, just put little lines. So I was going off the graph, I'd be like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then maybe I put a point there if I had to go off the graph. Don't redraw whole graphs. Now, if it's going 25 off the side of the graph, you gotta do something different. But if it's just going off the graph a little bit like that, we're not going to worry about it. All right, so let's write our coordinates down. Again, it doesn't say state, but that's because I completely forgot to put state on any of these. So there's a chance that I'm going to go back and put state on a few of these before you guys do them. So C is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. So that's 7, 3. B is 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So B is 10, 10, and A is 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 3, 11. All right. So there's that one. A little bit harder because it went off the graph, but still, I'm just counting. All right. So if you can count, you can do a translation.